talking about a little bit about how I feed all of my animals. So today I have some sample diets that I will give routinely to my guys. So I have a few categories out today that I'll show you. So my birds of prey primarily are carnivores. So they require a whole meat diet. So today I have these mice that I'll be giving them. These are actually frozen mice that I get from a commercial supplier, zoological supply, and I get about 1,000 at a time. They go into a freezer, and we thaw them out 24 hours before we're ready to feed them to the birds. And we don't just do mice. I also have frozen chicks, quail, hamsters, because just like us, we have to rotate their diet to keep them engaged. It gives them stimulation, and it also gives them nutrients in each food source. Another example of diet that I'll give my animals, this is a dry pelleted formula. This is an exotic canid diet that I give my hedgehogs eat this, and my fennec foxes. This is a big part of their diet, a big base of their diet. And it's very similar to a dog kibble. It has all the nutrients, all the ingredients in it that they need. And moving right along, we need vegetables. Many of the animals also that I have need vegetables. Now, I'm very conscientious of waste. So a trick to deal with waste, that can be a big problem, people who keep exotic animals. You don't want too much because then a lot of food goes to waste. So a big way, especially with a collection like mine with my animals, I have 15 to 20 animals at a time. So what I do works out nicely is I get the frozen bags of bird's eye vegetables, thaw them out as I need them for each animal, which I know who I know eats it, and anything unused goes back in the freezer. So that's a great way that I found that reduces the waste load. And of course, Lola here, the kinkajou, she's supposed to be eating vegetables. She doesn't like vegetables as much, like any toddler, trying to get her to eat her vegetables. And we also have fruit. This is really what Lola's looking for. So this is like a fruit salad that I'll give my animals. And an animal like Lola, she would eat that. And that's actually a big part of her diet. But the fruit also will go to my tortoises. They'll eat that. That's a natural diet for them, something that they'll eat. And something else that I'll sometimes routinely supplement the animals' diets is a canned dog food like this. And this is actually something I use for my blue-tongued skink type of lizard. My fennec foxes will eat this also. And again, just to round out their diet. So I hope you learned a little bit about what it takes to feed exotic animals. Have a great